what's poppin'? Oh, shit. We're gonna keep it recording. We're gonna keep it going, okay? What poppin', everybody? It's your boy Papa Snap. Now, I'm currently about to open my trailer, but I want to tell y'all something, okay? Y'all help me get my trailer open up. Hold on now. Oh, see how strong that boy is, man? Come on. Seriously? Y'all see how strong that boy is? Okay, so I got something to say. Okay. So, I had to make a video about this. Okay? Because I never seen nothing like this before. Alright? Currently, I'm delivering inside of a mountain. Look at the rock. Look at the ceiling. I'm inside of a mountain right now. Inside of a mountain. They made buildings. And it's huge. I had to climb the mountain to get inside of it. Go through tunnels. I'm gonna show y'all more videos. Hold on. I don't think y'all believe me. Look. That's carved out mountain. Look at this. Now the reason why it astonishes me because it's like humans can do anything they put their mind to. That's how powerful we are. We can do anything we put our mind to. We're extremely powerful when it comes to our minds. Look at this. Look at the infrastructure. My God, this is amazing. A whole building inside of a mountain. Oh my goodness, look at this. Look, let me touch it. Oh. I don't know why I'm tripping, guys. But last night, I slept inside of a cave. Before I was calling it a mountain. It's actually called a cave because caves are inside of mountains. Duh. I was saying I'm inside of a mountain. No. I was inside of a mountain. But you call it a cave. And I'm going to tell people I slept in a cave. Look at this. Look at it. So I'm walking outside right now so I can get me some connection and call my wife. My wife probably is worried about me. So let me call her right now. So let me show you how I got in here. And this is just one part. It has like 4 parts. It's huge. It is huge. Sorry my window ain't clean, but it's okay. I just want you guys to see the entrance. Or the exit. I don't know if I'm going to the right place. Yeah, I'm going the right place. Yeah, so look. This thing is phenomenal. Look at this. It's a cave. That's that Jake break. You gotta climb. There's more over there. Okay. Alright. It was so cold and my window's fogged. Look at that. Crazy out here. Look at this. More cave. Look at that. Look, more over there. I believe this is where I came from. This is where I came from, so I'm gonna go back where I came from. Let's see. I can't even see through my mirrors. Look, it's so foggy. Back through the cave. Okay. Okay, action. We got action. We got action, baby. Look at it. More buildings in a cave. I'm trying to tell y'all. This is phenomenal to me. And I just like appreciate like the human mind. That's why I'm fascinated, because I think we lack appreciation into the simplest things. You know? We lack appreciation. And this is not a simple thing. I'm just saying, like, I don't want it to go unnoticed. I have to appreciate it. Look at this. Buildings in a cave. Let me go before I get reported for recording and driving. Just want y'all to see one more time. Look at this. There's a warehouse. This place should be monumental. That whoever came up with this idea, phenomenal. Okay? Phenomenal. But that's the end. I'm about to go to the exit and get up out of here. Go get my next delivery or pickup, and head back to Illinois. All right? Peace out. Now hold on. So I left my last delivery. That was in, where was it? It was in Carthage, if I said that right, Carthage, Missouri. And I'm at my pickup in Springfield, Missouri. But there's more caves. Hold up. There's more caves. I don't know if this is just something new to me, but this is astonishing, okay? I'm about to go into another cave. I'm gonna record it and show y'all. Hold on. Keep it going, baby. Doing some undercover shit over there. There gotta be some undercover shit happening. Seriously. What are they doing underground? Look how beautiful that is. Look at that. Wow. And they got more things going on in the back over there. Wow, look at this. So freaking beautiful. Look at this. I didn't know Missouri had caves with warehouses. That's phenomenal. Caves with warehouses in them. Like, this is impeccable. You heard the word that I use? Impeccable. Wow. I'm walking to my check-in and I'm just admiring I'm admiring the infrastructure. And I'm at my second destination. This is a totally different cave. So I'm just cave hopping today. Cave hopping. That's some shit. I'm cave hopping today. I'm cave hopping to warehouses in caves. Okay? Man, listen, man. Whoever created this, I appreciate them. I appreciate them. Because things like this go unnoticed. This is amazing, okay? All this, I'm inside of a cave. I have no service. I'm a caveman. I just realized it. Right now, at this moment, I am a caveman because I'm a man inside of a cave.